Hey everybody, I'm going to demonstrate my look of the day. Today I wanted to go with the more of a all black theme. As you can see, I'm wearing a body chain. This was custom made for me. So as you can see, part of my look of the day, I wanted to go with a kind of like a black and gold color, but I wanted some splashes of color besides my nails. Don't look at this nail, it's pretty bad. Anyways, caught slipping. This is my body chain. I'll turn around so you guys can see the back. Oh, you can see it? I love wearing it, especially with these earrings because they match so well. But I love hoops. I'm a sucker for hoop earrings, but just the right ones to look good on me. You know, some are too big, some are too small, or not the right small, if you know what I mean. But yes, it's costume jewelry, you know. It's cute. I love how it looks. I love it shiny, and I love things that are shiny. As you can see as well, I am rocking my own hair. So I have it in this little like thing and held in by a clip. I just put in like kind of like a bun, a messy-ish bun. But there it is, up there. And then some little bang things. I tried using bendy rods today in my hair and it did not look all that cute, so I had to, you know, think of something, and this is what I thought of. But I like it, it's cute and it's a little hip and chic, so very happy with that, that I was able to fix it. Moving on, I chose red lips to go with my red ring. I wanted to wear this ring today, and I wanted to wear red lipstick, so kind of fell hand in hand. So I did red lips with this beautiful gemmy gold ring, which is really nice. My makeup was pretty, I think, boring compared to what I do. This would be everyday makeup for me. For some people, maybe the lips would be too bold, but I have very full and beautiful lips. And I love makeup and I love lipstick, so I will be rocking my lipstick. It's bright or not bright, it doesn't really matter. It depends on my mood or what I'm wearing. But yeah, I have a little bit of blush on. I'll put it all down below so it's not as complicated as how I'm explaining it. But that's all I did. Like, it's just, you know, I rimmed my eye and I put some silver right in the docks here. And then I just, you know, blended it out a little bit so that it doesn't look too choppy, as you can see. And I'm just wearing blue jeans. Nothing exciting. They're like dark blue jeans. As you can see. And wear either my shoes. Actually, you know what? I will show you my shoes. I would wear either or. I'd probably wear this beauty right here. And I'm gonna bring it up close so you can see it, but I love this. This is like would be my everyday heel. Would be my everyday heel. It's a platform, so easy to wear. This is for my night out tonight, which is ironic because I know what I'm wearing tonight. But tomorrow I have my friend's birthday and I have no idea what I'm wearing. Maybe I'll wear this. I don't know. Maybe I'll just wear like a pencil skirt, something like chic, really cute. I don't know yet. But yep, this is my look. Give you another look around. It's very easy to create. It only takes like 15 minutes. I have a little bit of, you know, bronzer on because I'm a bronzer type girl. If you wear makeup, you understand what I'm saying here. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I love these lashes. They're so cute. There you go. They're so flirty. They're so cute. I just love them. So yeah, I just completed the look. It just made me, you know, hope you like it. I'd like to see your Thursday outfit. If you want to know anything else about what I'm wearing that's not in the box below, send me a message and I'll get that to you as well. If you have Instagram, add me at Ebony out here. If you like this video and you'd like to see more looks, please subscribe. Thank you for looking at my look. I hope you liked it. I hope it was chic. This is a nice night out look. So I am very happy to take pictures and stuff like that in this outfit. So very happy that I thought of this. I haven't worn it. It's just all combos of clothes, so you will see many more videos, and I might recycle these, I might use this on a dress. I don't know. I love dressing up. I'm a doll. Anyways, take care. Thanks for watching.